Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this easy, healthy and delicious steamed fish fillet with tofu. The fish fillet I'm using today is super fresh that I bought straight from the fish shop. I like to use local cod fish. This fish is called sea perch. It is a very affordable fish here, but I like it very much because the meat is tender and most importantly, it is not fishy at all to my point of view. This fish is just over a kilo. I asked the fish shop to fillet it for me with skin on. Remove the bones in the meat if they haven't been completely done. I wanted the bone and head back that I can make fish soup later. I will share the recipe with you in another video. For this recipe, I used one piece of the fish fillet. Dry the meat with paper towel. Carefully cut to thin slices. Marinate the fish meat with some white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix the fish meat with seasonings and then put aside. Another ingredient is tofu. We need 8 pieces of 1.5 by 5 cm tofu cubes. I used a rectangular plate as it looks nicer on video. You can use any shapes of the plate you like. Line the tofu on the plate first. Sprinkle a light layer of salt on the tofu. And then place the fish slices nicely on top of the tofu. Boil the water and steam for 8 minutes. We need to prepare a sauce when the fish is steaming. Mince 2 slices of ginger. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. I have some minced garlic in the fridge, so I used 2 teaspoons of garlic mince, 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon hot oil. 8 minutes later, put the garlic ginger sauce on fish and then steam for another minute. One minute later, sprinkle the green onion on top and it is done. This is not only a healthy dish, but also very delicious. The fish is juicy and tender, and the tofu is soft and flavorful after absorbing the fish juice and garlic ginger sauce. It is great to team up with steamed rice. I hope you will give this recipe a try and will like it too. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!